Good morning, everybody. So, still the continuation of chapter 5. So, this one is part A. I rename myself Victor Diabiodun, your network plus instructors, a partner of mine, Don Tio, cybersecurity instructor and program director. minaz-abi IT training is in partner with network and community organizations. We are both in collaboration in training everybody that wants to get certifications and CompTIA. So if you want to be CompTIA certified personnel, this is the right platform for you to to work with. So we are we have been we have been a good this is a good news of introducing to you the right video tutorial to watch. So moving on to the second slide. So we have been talking about router, layer 3 switch, which is VLAN and all that since the beginning of this chapter 5. So now we're in the last chapter and we're talking about router and then VLAN troubleshooting. Now, in the first place, what do you understand by troubleshooting? Troubleshooting is when your system or your network is having issues, is having problems, how you provide solutions to it. So that is what is known as what troubleshooting. Routing table issues. So there might be issues in the process of sending your packet from one router to the other. So in this process, most times these are some of the way out. Number one, suspect a routing issue if you ping a host default gateway, but not some of the hosts on the remote network. So when you ping, then you verify the connectivity. That is one. Number two, review the routing table entries. Number three, check the subnet maps. And then step 4, which is number 4, examine the static and the dynamic routes and use your trace route. And this is what is useful. Now, all those tools we mentioned in other tutorials is actually meant to what? To find a solution to the problem in routing, in routers. Moving to the second slide, if your router has an issue, what to do? Now, default routing and routing looping issues. So this is another problem. Now, how do you fix it? Configure the default routing or disturbing default routing to other routing can lead to what? Routing looping. So this is the causes. Now, how to verify it? How to fix it? Verify the host configuration. Ping the default gateway. That is number 2 solution. Check the routing setting. That is number 3 solutions. Review the physical connectivities. That is number 4 solutions. Identify the routing looping. So by the time you go through all this process, you definitely solve the problem of default routing and routing looping issues. So let us consider another problem. So we have VLAN assignment issues. Now, what is the causes? Devices on VLAN need a matching IP configuration, address, the subnet mark, and the gateway and DNS. So how to solve this? Check physical connectivities if it is having problem, if one of the cable got broken. Ping the loopback address to see maybe if there is any means of connecting the system. Now, number 3, ping the default gateway, maybe it's connecting. And number 4, ping a route, a remote host or server. So you ping all those things. Definitely we may have fixed the problem of VLAN assigned issues. So let us check other ones. So these happen to be the class activities. So there's the practical sections that you can lay your hand and load and achieve one or two things in the process. In the summary, today we talk about routing table, dynamic routing, network address translation, and a virtual local area network. Wow. So that so far so good, we've been able to conclude chapter 5 section on the network blocks. So please endeavor to watch the video tutorial all through and you will see that you pass your certification so easily. And we are here to give us and we are going to give us a good feedback on it. Thank you so much.